Good morning, everyone. Um, I'm at Decatur project right now, so we're at the final stage. My name is Sergey, and this is Atlanta Turnkey Construction Company. We are a licensed contractor company which is working in Atlanta area. We specialize in the up north area, like the East Coast, and we also cover the Atlanta projects as well. So we have a couple of projects in the mountains, in Ranger and Jasper and LJ area, so we're almost everywhere. So let's get a quick walk through the project indicator. I believe we already did the walkthrough over the exterior part, because the exterior part has been finished a long time ago. As of right now, we also have the setup for the new meter and the power supply. This building will have all the ENEP, like mechanical, electrical, plumbing, new. So from the city connection, we have everything brand new. We also have almost all the brand new walls and foundation. So all the siding, decking. This is pretty much the new construction. Yard been cleaned. Later on, we also will have grass over it. So we have a setup for the HVAC people. That's what they will use to hook the outdoor units. Here's the funky door, made like a fence. We have the installation R19 all over the crawl space of the building. As you can see, we have a new plumbing, all the new HVAC system and electrical. And probably let's go inside. As you might remember, we replaced the window, made it wider. All the windows new. Here we have a new kitchen, the white oak slim shaker kitchen. It's unfinished yet. We are going to have good morning. So let's get it done. So this is our panel. This is the main electrical panel and laundry hookup, exhaust pipe, 220, water connection, gauge pressure, 110. We have over 70 lights in the house. This is our living room area with the new fireplace. The guest bathroom first floor with the shower. is actually curbless shower, toilet area and vanity. Closet, additional closet. This is a master of the first floor. The shower of the first floor. Master bathroom. The accent wall. Here's going to be some additional items. And this is the walk-in closet. Good morning.
Good morning.
Moving upstairs, we still have unfinished staircase. On the right hand, we have first guest bedroom. This is the smaller room in this house. This is, I call this kids room. This is a really cool feature room with additional room upstairs, like an office room. We try to consider this as right now. Closet. Staircase. Will bring us into the nice office room. The way you feel in the house with the high ceiling. I call this media room, but at the same time it might be separated if you would like to, and you might have another bedroom as well. It's going to be an accent wall, so wait till the end of the project and you will see the difference. This is our guest bathroom, second floor, with the top. And this is the master bedroom. Master bedroom, bathroom, sorry, second floor. Have the shower, great design. It's privacy toilet room right here, so two people can use the same room at the same time. Just because of the HVAC, we got that shelf right there, but probably you can maybe put some plants on it, whatever, don't know, but that's something you can accept. You can live with it. This is the way we do the construction. Stay till the end of this project and you will see the way how you can increase the square footage of your existing house from 800 square feet into the 3,200 square feet, and how you can make a good money with Atlanta Turnkey Construction Company. Give us a call if you need a good construction.